Nathan. You can call me Nate, and I'm advertising, marketing, promotional messages across any surface, anytime, anywhere, any size. So you can call us any customs. Um, we are currently pre-revenue. We've got a couple of strong leads and contacts across the corporate and promotional industries as far as getting our offer into large sums of revenue very quickly. Today we're asking for $100,000 for 1% equity share. And so wouldn't you like to put your message anywhere, anytime, any size, any place, any message? So like say this surface here or this surface up here. Imagine a message there, your message there, selling your business proposal. So I'm currently from the United States. Living in the United States is a fake accent, but for Shark Tank Australia, I figured I'd do this, so it sounds great. Andrew, you might be more along a partner for me because we are in the United States. But anyway, we're here pitching this on Shark Tank Australia because it sounds good to have like a fake accent, and you know, Aussies are just sort of fun, neat cultures. And anyway, you guys are great investors. So today we're here pitching pre-revenue, like I said, with your investment of $100,000. We're looking to take that pre-revenue to revenue across all of Australia and likely even the galaxy. Huge potential here. We're going to take, looking at the end of the first fiscal year, we're probably going to go to like 20 or 50 mil. And then consecutively year after that, we're probably going to be in like a large multiple. So maybe like 200 the second year, 200 mil the second year, and like maybe 450 the year after that. So we're talking huge figures here, very large sums of money. Our profit margins are like unbelievable. Like we can take, say, the first year we make 20 to 50 mil. We're probably going to profit from that about anywhere from like 15 to 18 mil off that 20 to like maybe 42 to 44 off that 50. So we're talking like billionaire status, like, you know, by the time we're in our 7th year, if not sooner. For me at least. I mean, for you guys, 1% is not going to be as fast, but so the reason we're better than our competitors is because we don't ask for permission to put up advertising anywhere. So we're very guerrilla style advertising. We don't need trademarks. We don't need patents. We just plaster the shit up wherever we can. And basically, as long as the message is there, it's making an impression. So like we put it, you know, in a storefront of Macy's in New York City, and like don't give a shit if they complain or take it down because we'll just put it right back up. So there's no risk to the parties who put the message out there because they didn't put the actual advertising up. So there's truly no risk to them, and we sort of keep ourselves anonymous, and we do wear masks as we put these advertisings up in the places they are. So very high earning potential and very low risk for anybody involved. We would be open to negotiating a multiple shark deal with like at least maybe 3 or 4 sharks for like 3 or 4%, for 300,000 or 400,000. But I think at this point, since the revenue potential is like limited, literally unlimited, we're probably not going to be open to like 5 sharks for 5% because that just seems a little bit too steep. As I said, we'll be able to return the investment and at the $100,000 mark, probably in about 2 to 3 weeks once we get your money. And then if we had, say, 3 or 4 sharks, we're probably looking at like maybe about 3-month mark. We'll have your money back, if not sooner. So I'm currently working as a cashier and stockist in a retail grocery chain. But as soon as I get your money, as soon as we get your money here, I'm definitely going to not do that anymore to be a responsible steward towards your investment. So, yeah, who would like to jump on board and put your message anywhere, anytime, any place, any size with no risk and unlimited potential. Thank you.